The 2025 Honda camper van stands out as a versatile and compact solution for travelers seeking mobility, comfort, and convenience. Blending Honda's reputation for reliability with modern innovations, this camper van offers a balanced package suitable for weekend adventurers and long-term road trippers alike. It's built on a streamlined chassis that makes it maneuverable in both urban environments and winding country roads, offering the best of both worlds. The exterior design showcases a sleek, modern look that doesn't scream RV, which will appeal to those who want a subtle, minimalist aesthetic. Its aerodynamic profile contributes to improved fuel efficiency, and the LED lighting system not only enhances safety but also adds a premium touch. Optional solar panels mounted on the roof provide a renewable energy source, perfect for off-grid exploration. Inside, the camper van reveals clever use of space and high-quality materials. The layout is modular, allowing users to transform the seating area into a bed, dining space, or workstation with ease. The upholstery is both comfortable and durable, designed to handle the wear and tear of frequent travel. Soft touch materials and ambient lighting create a cozy atmosphere, even on longer journeys. Honda has integrated smart technology throughout the van, including a central touchscreen that controls climate, lighting, and entertainment systems. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and there's also a Wi-Fi hotspot option for constant connectivity. USB-C ports and wireless charging stations are strategically placed, ensuring devices are always powered. The kitchenette is compact but practical, featuring a 2-burner induction stove, a refrigerator, and a stainless steel sink. Storage is surprisingly ample, with deep drawers, upper cabinets, and hidden compartments making use of every available inch. The space is ideal for preparing quick meals, and the removable table can be used both inside and outside the van. A wet bath is available in select trims, combining a toilet and shower in a small but functional space. It's not luxurious, but it's practical and easy to clean, giving users the option to stay off-grid longer. Water tanks in a gray water system are neatly integrated below the floor, minimizing their impact on interior space. Driving the 2025 Honda camper van is a comfortable experience, thanks to an upgraded suspension system and responsive steering. The engine, available in hybrid and gas-only configurations, offers enough power for highway cruising in moderate inclines. Honda's suite of safety features, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, provides peace of mind during long drives. One of the highlights is the ease of setup at camp. Pop-up roof models give additional headroom and sleeping space, and the retractable awning sets up in minutes, creating a shaded outdoor area. Rear hatch access and sliding side doors make loading and unloading quick and easy, adding to the vehicle's user-friendly design. Fuel economy is commendable for a camper van of this size. The hybrid model delivers especially efficient performance, extending the van's range and reducing stops. For those who prioritize sustainability, Honda's low-emissions engine technology aligns with environmentally conscious travel. Overall, the 2025 Honda camper van is a compelling choice in the growing camper van market. It manages to pack comfort, practicality, and cutting-edge tech into a compact frame without sacrificing drivability. Whether you're an experienced van lifer or a newcomer to mobile living, this vehicle provides an inviting, hassle-free way to explore the open road.